Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a turkey tail fan. First, gather your essential tools, including a sharp knife and a sturdy cutting surface. Next, carefully separate the tail fan from the turkey's body. Make sure to cut as close to the bone as possible to ensure a clean and complete removal. This initial step is crucial for preserving the fan's integrity for display. Take your time and be precise with your cuts. Once the fan is removed, it's time for cleaning. Scrape off all remaining flesh and fat from the tail bone using a dull knife or spoon. This prevents decay and odor. Next, apply a generous amount of borax to the exposed bone and the base of each quill. Borax acts as a drying agent and preservative. Allow the fan to cure in a cool, dry place for at least 2 weeks, ensuring it's completely dry. After the borax has done its work, you'll want to shape your fan. Carefully spread the tail feathers into your desired display shape, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Use pieces of cardboard and clothespins to hold the fan open and flat while it dries completely. This helps maintain its form. Place the fan in a well-ventilated area, allowing for even air circulation around all the feathers. Patience here ensures a beautiful, lasting display. For the final touches, consider how you'll display your magnificent turkey tail fan. Many choose a wooden plaque or a shadow box to protect and showcase their trophy. You can also add other decorative elements, such as the turkey's beard and spurs, to create a more complete and impressive display. Remember, proper care ensures your fan remains a cherished memento for years. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.